Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to troubleshoot the 76033 logo light in your 2009 to 2018 hot spring spa. Under normal operation, your spa logo light should be solid blue and solid green. The solid blue light indicates your spa is properly supplied with power, and the solid green light means that your spa is within 2 degrees of the set temperature. The logo light is solid blue when the spa is properly supplied with power. When the blue light is off, it means that there is a problem with the spa control box or power supply to the spa. A flashing blue logo light means that the spa is in high limit trip or protection mode. Disconnect the power for at least 30 seconds to reset the heater high limit. If it will not reset, it could be caused by one of these things: high limit thermistor plugged in incorrectly, clogged filter, airlock, bad circulation pump, bad high limit thermistor, bad heater, cold water startup, or a voltage spike or power outage. The logo light is solid green when the spa water temperature is within 2 degrees of the set temperature and will turn off when the temperature is outside of that range. If you increase or decrease the temperature setting of the spa, the logo light will turn off until the spa temperature reaches the acceptable range for the new set temperature. A flashing green logo light indicates that a problem exists with the temperature thermistor or topside control panel or control box. Here are the steps to diagnose and fix the issue. Test the temperature control thermistor or reg therm. If the thermistor fails the test, simply replace the thermistor. If the thermistor passes the test, it means the control panel or control box is bad and must be replaced. If your spa is a 2009.5 to 12.5, you must replace the topside control panel. This topside control panel is obsolete, but we do offer a retrofit kit for your spa. The retrofit kit is the 76836 Eagle box and the 77433 control panel. If your spa is a 2012.5 to 2018 and your temperature control thermistor passes a test, you must replace the 76836 Eagle box. When the blue and green logo lights are flashing, it indicates that there is a flow issue. It could be caused by one of these 4 things: airlock, clogged filter, bad circulation pump, or a bad pressure switch. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.